My name is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the playlist of knives, folding knives, fixed blade knives, kitchen knives, knife sharpeners, just whatever. Now, I've had this for a while, probably close to 2 years. Forgot I had it, found it back in the stack somewhere. Pretty sure I got it at Walmart at one time. I'm not 100% quite sure, but pretty sure it came from Walmart. Camillus quality knife since 1876. Titanium bonded. 8 tools. 3 times harder. Let's see here. 1 folding knife. 420 stainless steel. 3.5 inch blade. Glass filled nylon handle, which some people say that's fiberglass. The tools store inside the handle. I'm sure the sharpener doesn't, but we're going to find out here shortly. Let's go to the back right here. Fire starter, sharpener, the knife itself, titanium bonded 420 stainless steel, button lock for releasing tools, number 1. 2 multi-tools storing a handle. Glass filled nylon handle. 1 of the tools. Flat screwdriver. Hex wrenches. The other accessory here, it's got a pry bar, cord cutter, wire stripper, wire cutter. Hex wrenches. The handle, it's got a pocket clip, button lock for releasing tools number 2. Sharpener. The blade is 3.5 inches, overall is 8 inches. Let's release this thing from the clamshell right here. I got my 37 degrees north knife here, which I love this thing. Carried a lot. Been a very, very good knife. 37 degrees north. If you haven't never seen these before, I urge you to check them out. Let's cut this thing open. See what happens right here. Come on. There we go. Come down this way some more. Down to the bottom of here. There we go. Free the knife. Go over here to knife sharpener. Doesn't want to come out. It's not going to beat me though. Go around this way some more. Knife sharpener. Tool number 1. Let's see the easiest way to getting these out. Let me get this fire starter out first. Go back to this one. See if I can get this one released. Tool number 2. This blister pack's trying to give me a hard time. tool number 1. Now the fire starter. Let's go this way with it. I know this plastic isn't that tough. My knife must be getting dull. Wouldn't surprise me. I use it a lot. There we go. Got the fire starter. Drop the packaging right here. Okay. Let me fold up this knife and get it out of the way. Let's start with the knife itself. The handle's a lot thicker, which is what I prefer. It's not uncomfortable. Take off that tip guard. Plastic handle. It has a picture of the tool that it stores on each side. Liner lock, thumb studs, jimping on the right here on the top. Nice pocket clip with the logo stuck right there. Easy to fold, easy to open. Camillus right here on the blade. Let me close this thing up. Closes really quiet. There's no lock on the closing. It just folds in. Okay, which of these tools goes in here? This one. And you can see there we go. This is the tools that are on it. Pretty thick, not super thick, but thick enough to be used as a decent tool. I wouldn't be ashamed to use it. Slides right in. There's the handle. You see the slots in the handle. So this is going to slide right in. Right there. Push it all the way. There we go. Watch, see if that moves. Nope. But it is securely locked. And to release it, whoops, threw it out. Let me go over here and get that. I know better than to do that again. Let's lock it back in here. So, there we go. Now this one goes in the same way. You see this tool here. This one goes in the same way into that little slot. There we go. It's locked into place and it does come out. There we go. Now how many times those get used will be seen in the future. Not the most comfortable when you really grip it. So, let me open that back up. Let's try this, see what happens there. Fire starter. Oops. There we go. Here's the rod. That's inside the rod. There we go. Get some sparks from there now. Not a whole lot. Have to really push down on it. That's the most effective, but it could be better than nothing. Maybe. I don't know. We'll try it on some wood later. See if we can get something going with it. Anyway, fire starter. Now it surprises me there's not a hole in this knife to hold it on, but it is what it is. Knife sharpener, like many of them in this style, has the tungsten steel on one side and the ceramic rods on the other side. Before we do anything with a sharpener, let's see how it is out of the package. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Straight out of the package. So, I'll get a few swipes on the, I'm not going to use the tungsten side, only use that if your knife blade is really damaged. But we're just going to work on this ceramic rods, holding the blade at 45 degrees at a slight angle down. Let's go about 10 more times. There we go. See what happens now. Let's go over here. Ooh, there we go. That worked good. Anyway, not real impressed with this fire starter. I'd give it at the most a 2 out of 10. Now this knife, for what it is, I wouldn't say that's too bad. I forgot what I paid for this thing, this set. But the ceramic rods work pretty good. Anyway, we have the, let me close this up again. No, I'll leave it open for now. Let me shoot that one out. I'm going to shoot this one out. So we got the 5-piece Camillus folding knife kit. I won't call it a kit. Not too bad. I wouldn't want to put my life dependent on it, but to keep in your tackle box, your glove compartment of your truck, something like that, be a good thing to have. I might just have to keep this in the little box on my tractor, just to always have a knife handy. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.